Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's your old man Mark Bryce, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and do a show and tell. Now these two items that you see here, well, you see the boxes of it. These arrived and I'm dying to open them and install them. And what are they? Well, let's go ahead and talk about what they are and why I wanted them. So the vehicle that I have is a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2020 WK2 or Altitude, and each time I open my doors I look at the bottom of my door sill, and if you don't know what a door sill is, I'll take a photo of my generic ones that I have right now. As I said, it's generic. It's all black. I don't like it. I remember my Hyundai Sonata that I had previously. It was an aluminum door sill. It looked very nice, and I was going to go ahead and install LED door sills, but because of the accident, I lost the car. Couldn't do it. In a way, good that happened because I was ready to buy it and make a video of it, and if I did buy it, then I'd be stuck with it because I no longer had the car. So that happened. So when I bought the Jeep Grand Cherokee, there was so much stuff that I wanted to do with it, and mainly I'm working on the interior stuff right now on this vehicle. Later on, throughout the years, throughout the months, I'll start working on the exterior stuff, maybe during the summer or springtime. But right now, we're talking about the interior, and we're talking about the door sill. As I mentioned, the door sills, if this vehicle is plain black, I don't like it. I like to see something aluminum. I will definitely will love to have LED door sills on it, and I will. But for those who have the similar car as me, who just has a plain black sill, you're gonna wanna, and if you wanna upgrade to aluminum, it's hard to find right now online. There's not that many. There's one that says Jeep on it. There's some that says Trackhawk, some that says SRT. Now, obviously, if you have an Altitude, a Limited, or a Summit, why would you want to get one that says SRT or Trackhawk? I mean, that's up to you if you want, but I saw matching passenger side and driver side door sills, but those were going for like about 200 plus, and they were pre-owned. I believe they were pre-owned. Then I saw the one that says Jeep, which I have here. I bought these two separately from two separate people because it's very hard to find them in pair, but I did find them. Now, just recently I went on eBay to check to see if he still has some, and I could only come across two that's here in the United States. There are a couple in Germany, but they're just so expensive to ship. So I'm gonna post some photos up on the screen right now where you can find them around $50. Left side, which is the passenger side, I think you're gonna have a hard time finding them for the driver's side. But if you ever want to get these in LED, and right now your existing ones are all black, you're gonna have to get the aluminum one, which I'm about to show you right now, and I'll tell you why. You cannot get LED door sills for your vehicle because they're right now in the market. They're only selling the aluminum sill. Oh, excuse me, the aluminum plate for your door sill. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, I believe this is the driver's side. No, this is the passenger side. This is what my vehicle has right now. Again, I bought them pre-owned. It's hard to find them brand new. So there are some scratches here. But if you can see on the screen, this is plastic, which I have, but it's also black here. My existing ones. I can't take this black thing out to put the aluminum in. You're gonna have to buy the whole unit. Then if you ever wanna upgrade to LED, you're gonna have to take this aluminum, flip it over, you're gonna see these aluminum tabs here. You're gonna have to yank them out, pull them out, and then pull this out. And then you can install the LED aluminum door sills because they don't sell them in one full unit. I've checked. So that's the only route you can take if you ever wanted to get the one that says Jeep and LED. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side. This one looks like it's in great condition. Again, this is all used. Good luck finding these brand new. And if you do find these brand new, you're gonna pay a pretty penny. For some reason, I don't know, if you can put it in the comments below, why Mopar parts are so expensive. I don't understand why. And hopefully video. The camera's capturing all this as I'm recording and opening it all up. Believe me, I made videos where I did the whole process and I completely forgot that I had not pressed the play button. It has happened. Oh, okay, I see. So this one is, obviously they're in pre-owned condition, but I would say this one's in better condition. But either way, they're clean. I've seen some that are going for 70, 60 bucks, 70 bucks online, but they're all scuffed up, where even the black plastic has severe scratches on it. So this is the only two that I found online that were clean. How much did I pay? I'm gonna try to remember off the top of my head. If not, I'll put the images on screen. I am looking at the passenger side right here. There, I'll put the image on how much I paid. Now this is the driver's side, and that's how much I paid. You don't need this. This is not something that you need for your vehicle. This is just something that's just a matter of taste, your preference when you get in your vehicle, and this is what you want to see. Now there's a couple more projects that I do want to do on my vehicle. Steering wheel. Again, this is just the interior stuff. I haven't gone through the exterior stuff yet. Interior wise, I want to get steering wheel, the paddle shifters. I already got the paddle shifters, but I want to get them painted red. What's the other thing? Those two. Oh, the speaker rings. I'll put an image below of what I mean by the speaker rings. Speaker rings, can't even talk. And then after all that's done, or during that process, red leather seats. My vehicle is a dark charcoal, dark granite color vehicle. Why can I take this out? I'm over here rambling and I cannot take this. My vehicle has that granite color, it looks very nice, but I want something bright to stick out, which are the leather seats. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and start putting these in. I might not show the driver's side just because it's very difficult to get into the driver's side through the garage. My passenger side is right here. I can just open the door wide open and just take out the old one and put in the new one. It's quite simple to remove the old one to put the new one in. So let's go ahead and do that now. I have gloves here. I'm gonna try to do this from this side so you can have a visual. This is my prying tool. It's plastic. It's not gonna scratch anything. I just gotta be careful with my finger because I cut it. There you go. This is the only space you need. You can stick your finger here. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, the same. As long as these are the same as the new one that you received, you're fine. Everything looks identical. Now, on camera, hopefully you're seeing this, what I was referring to. This whole unit is one piece. Not like the one that I just got that I showed you in the mail, because it's a two-piece concept where the aluminum sill inside it had, you know what, let me go ahead and bring it so you guys can see what I'm referring to. The one that I just received, the one that's in my car. These little tabs that you see here, you're gonna take a flathead and you're gonna pry them out. So then you can take this aluminum sill out. This one doesn't have it, so this is basically garbage. You can just throw this away, or you can resell it in the market, make some more money on the side. But this is what I want. So now having this, I have the option to get the LED if I ever wanted to do that. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to install it. It only takes seconds to install. There we go. And there we go. You see that? Looks very nice. A lot better. So if anybody's watching and wants this, I'm gonna put this on eBay. I'm sure it'll sell. Just gotta clean it out. Alright everyone, that's about it. I'll probably take a photo of the vehicle when it's all nice and clean, because right now it's very dirty. Alright, I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I forgot to show this on the passenger side. So here we are, we're doing it for the driver's side. I don't have much space here, so please forgive me. This area right here, you'll notice you're doing it correctly because of this thick opening right here where this area needs to go in. This area over here doesn't have that. It's a lot thinner, so it's for that thin area right there. Okay, so that's how you know you're doing it correctly. Big guy right here. Then and that's it. That's how easy it is. Alright, so while I was making this video, I received 2 messages on my phone. It was through eBay saying that I just made some sales. So while in the process of making this video, I just took a glance to see what it was. And one of the shoes, which I'm about to pick it out right now, was I made a video of it about a month ago. It was about me driving to Salvation Armies and Goodwills, and I came across double-tongue Nikes. If you don't recall, if you don't remember, I'll put the link right down below, where I found these pairs for like 10 bucks. And I just sold them right now for $130. An easy way to make money. I'm just letting you guys know that I make videos on how to make money here, how to make money there. As you can see through my inventory, over there, over here, more upstairs, more in my other areas. I store a lot of sneakers, I store a lot of stuff where I resell online. I buy them for a little cost through people that I know, through people that work in other locations, and they have shoes that they want to get rid of. They give it to me and I sell them out. So let me go ahead and pull it. Let me just turn the camera on so you can see which sneakers I'm talking about. All right, 074. As you can see, it's these right here. Check that out. Oh, and while we're here, you know what these are? For all you Grand Cherokee WK2 lovers, these are the factory aluminum steel or aluminum grill. Remember, I took these out to put the black ones in, and I made a video of that. But so far, these are the shoes that I'm talking about, double-tongue Nikes. I think I sold them for like $115 or $130, around that price. So these are going out, and then I also received another order for I think they were like 30 bucks. All right, so they were in this box here. So these hush puppies, I think they're going for 30 bucks, $25, $30. But either way, I think I got them for like $5. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys how you guys can make money from home. Start selling your old sneakers that you don't wear anymore, and you'll easily see that you can make money with junk that you have around your house that you're no longer using. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching this video.